Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to teach about how to draw the stick diagram for POS transistor. So previous videos we discussed the operation of POS transistor and how to design the logic gate operation using POS transistor. So these things we discussed in previous video. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So let me take one example. So it's a logic symbol of XOR gate. A and B is the input value. So output of this logic gate is A XOR B. Boolean expression for XOR gate is A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. So it's a Boolean expression for XOR gate. Now I draw the POS transistor logic for this XOR gate. So here I need two transistors, NMOS transistor. So this drain source, drain and source. This one is gate value. So here gate is connected to B, so B bar and B value. So source is connected to A and A bar. So A dot B bar, A bar dot B. Just I assign the two input variables in this POS transistor logic. So F is the output function. So F equal to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. So it's a simple logic for POS transistor. Now I am going to draw the stick diagram for this XOR gate. So these two lines are polysilicon line. So it's a NMOS transistor. So this point is source, this point is drain and source. So this two transistor drain terminal is connected to output side. So this point is connected to output. So output represent F. So this source point is connected to A. The second transistor source is connected to A bar. Then input value is B bar and B. So it's a simple stick diagram for POS transistor logic. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thank you.